Mount St. Helens and Krakatoa are impressive, but they're just firecrackers compared to the colossal eruptions that have shaped our planet. Take the Toba Eruption, for instance. Around 74,000 years ago, it unleashed over 2,800 cubic kilometers of ash, plunging the Earth into a volcanic winter and possibly triggering a near extinction event for humanity. Then there's the Siberian Traps, where massive lava flows covered an area the size of Europe, releasing greenhouse gases that led to the Permian Triassic extinction, wiping out 90% of species. These ancient giants remind us that Earth's history is a tale of explosive power, power that reshaped life itself. Volcanoes are nature's most powerful storytellers. With a single eruption, they can obliterate cities, reshape landscapes, and even alter the planet's climate. When we talk about the biggest eruptions, it gets complicated. Some measure the blast size, others the volume of lava, and some focus on the human toll. Take the eruption of Mount Tambora in 1815, which caused the year without a summer, leading to widespread famine. Or the eruption of Krakatoa in 1883, whose explosive sound was heard thousands of miles away. Each event tells a tale of destruction and transformation, reminding us of the raw power of our planet. Imagine a mountain so tall its peak seems to touch the sky. Now, picture that peak blown completely away. In 1815, Mount Tambora erupted with a force that shattered records, releasing over 40 cubic kilometers of rock. This wasn't just any eruption, it created a massive crater, 6 kilometers wide, but the impact didn't stop there. Ash and gas filled the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and plunging the world into darkness. The following year became infamous as the year without a summer. Crops failed, food became scarce, and over 100,000 lives were lost. Nature's fury reshaped our planet and reminded us of its unstoppable power. Imagine a time, 75,000 years ago, a colossal eruption at Lake Toba in Indonesia unleashed over 5,000 cubic kilometers of rock and ash. This wasn't just any eruption, it scored a terrifying level 8 on the Volcano Explosivity Index. Some scientists argue it nearly wiped out early humans, reducing our population to just a few thousand. Others believe we adapted and survived better than expected. Regardless, the Toba supereruption had a chilling effect on our planet, potentially cooling the Earth for years, even decades. It's a stark reminder of nature's power and its lasting impact on our history. Imagine a time 30 million years ago, the ground beneath what is now Utah erupted with unimaginable force. The Wawa Springs eruption unleashed nearly 6,000 cubic kilometers of ash and rock, far surpassing even the infamous Toba eruption. This colossal event lay hidden for eons, only to be uncovered by geologists in 2013. It's a stark reminder that long before humans walked the earth, our planet held the power to reshape life itself. The sheer scale of this eruption challenges our understanding of volcanic activity and its impact on the environment. Nature's fury has always been a force to reckon with, shaping the world in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. Imagine a time 65 million years ago. The Deccan Traps in India were erupting, but this wasn't a single explosion. It was a slow, relentless flow of lava pouring out for thousands of years. Over 1 million cubic kilometers of molten rock blanketed the land, creating one of the largest volcanic provinces on Earth. And here's the twist. This monumental eruption coincided with the extinction of the dinosaurs. Scientists are still piecing together the puzzle. Was it the asteroid impact that ended their reign? Or did the relentless volcanic activity seal their fate? Maybe it was a deadly combination of both. The Deccan Traps remind us of our planet's raw power and the deep mysteries still hidden in its past. The Siberian Traps, 250 million years ago, they unleashed one of the most catastrophic events in Earth's history. Imagine a world where 90% of ocean life and 75% of land animals simply vanished. We call it the Great Dying. For millions of years, relentless lava flows and toxic gases wreaked havoc, turning vibrant ecosystems into barren wastelands. And here's the staggering part. It took nearly 9 million years for life to recover. Yet out of this devastation came opportunity. This massive extinction paved the way for the rise of the dinosaurs. Without the Siberian Traps, who knows if dinosaurs would have ever ruled the earth? Beneath the Pacific Ocean lies the Ontong Java Plateau, a colossal remnant of the largest volcanic eruption in Earth's history. It happened 116 million years ago, when more than 80 million cubic kilometers of lava spewed forth. That's 27 times the volume of ice covering Greenland today. This cataclysmic event reshaped our planet. Yet even now, scientists are still debating its impact. Did it throw marine life into chaos? Or were the effects more subtle, hidden in the depths of the ocean? Whatever the truth, the Ontong Java Plateau stands as a staggering monument to the unimaginable power of our planet's geology. The biggest eruptions don't always create the biggest disasters. Take Mount Tambora in 1815. It unleashed one of the most powerful eruptions in human history, but the true devastation came after. Ash spread across the globe, turning 1816 into the infamous year without a summer. Crops withered, food shortages struck, entire communities faced unrest, and yet some of the largest underwater eruptions barely touched humanity at all. Tambora proves one thing: it's not just the size of an eruption that matters, but the strange and unpredictable ways our planet reshapes human history.